All right, folks, Tuesday morning, sun's coming up, another beautiful day. Federal Reserve kicking off a two-day meeting this morning. We'll have Fed Chairman Powell speaking tomorrow. All eyeballs on inflation. Speaking of inflation, PPI, the producer side of the inflation. So we got CPI, PPI. PPI is producers, CPI is consumers. So the PPI data comes out today, could help drive the conversation in this Fed meeting. We've also got retail sales coming out this morning. Was flat. The last reading we got, we'll see if we get an uptick on that as things start to open up a bit. So I know it's quiet. Markets seem to be frozen a bit. Not much going on. As we always talk about, you got to be ready though. Could change in an instant. Big data this week. Big meeting this week. There's still a lot going on. That said, make sure you go over to Nadex.com. Sign up for our day trading boot camp next Tuesday. I'm getting really thin on spots. I've had a lot of people sign up over the past couple days. It's going to be a big event, how to day trade FX. Get yourself ready to trade when those markets are moving around. No better place to do it than at that Nadex boot camp. We've got a series of these. We offer them throughout the year. Next Tuesday, free, virtual. Nadex.com. Sign up today. All right, folks, let's go get some. Let's have a good day. See you tomorrow.